And episode 7 happened quite recently, and this episode is not about things that happened and I didn't know. It was hormonal. This I knew, but it was so crazy that I want to tell the story because hopefully it will just really encourage you and help you to see that this is something real and that you are not going crazy. You are not going crazy. So we were on holiday and I was with my parents in a little cottage in Whitstable, and I was the first one up and I decided to make coffee. So I got my little thing that goes on the stove because there wasn't a coffee machine, and I filled it up with water. And I thought, oh, I know, while I'm making a coffee, I'll make my mum and dad a cup of tea because they have tea in the mornings, not coffee. So I was sitting about the sink, turned around, picked up the kettle, turned back to the sink, filled it up with water, turned around again, put the kettle on, and then carried on filling about with my little coffee machine. And then I was like, that's a bit weird. What's going on? And I turn around and the kettle is in flames, like literally in flames. It just burst into flames. So I was like, oh my God, what's going on? So I pick up the kettle, pick up like that, and the bottom of it is all melted and it's all plastic everywhere and it's falling all over the place. And I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? Oh my goodness. So I put the fire out, got a tea towel, put the fire out. I'm like, what on earth happened? What on earth happened? So this is what happened. When I put the kettle on the base to boil it, I did not put it on the base. I put it on the stove. And then I turned the stove on. And then the gas and the heat and the flames, melted the kettle and it burst into flames. So it's probably about 20 years since I've had a kettle that goes on the stove. Okay. So why I put it on the stove, I don't know. Anyway, it was all fine. We bought another kettle. We cleared it all up. It was all, but the point is that when you go through these hormonal crazy things that happen, fluctuations, it literally affects your brain chemistry. It's not just brain fog. It's actually your brain doesn't work properly. Those connections start breaking. They will come back though. They will come back. So please tell me your craziest stories about brain fog and the menopause. Oh, my life. Ah, joys. The joys.